Hey guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again. Got a quick little video here to go over one of our upcoming builds. Done posted a few pictures on our Facebook and whatnot, but cool build coming up. We're doing a 4-seater max instead of a 2-seater like we do a lot of times. As you can see, there's not much of it left right now. Now, it'll leave it up to you guys to wonder out where everything's at and what's going on. Maybe post some colors you think might be coming. It's definitely not going to be black, but there's definitely some color options out there. We done got everything to powder, got everything working over there on that. So we got a brand new buggy we're going to build. It's going to be a shop buggy so we can sell it to anybody who wants it, and it's going to be done right. Again, we got certified techs that's took this thing apart. Certified techs going to put it back together. They're going to torque it, Loctite it, make it right, ready to go. So just make sure you check out the upcoming videos. As you can see, this thing is torn apart, and it'll go back together and be better than new when we get all our goodies on it. Thanks for watching.